Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Ika Oktaviana from Jenderal Sudirman University. On this occasion, I will present our research entitled Naming of Tourism Destinations in Banyumas, Central Java. Banyumas has a variety of fascinating tourism destinations to visit. The tourism diversity includes natural, cultural, and educational tourism. Moreover, each tourism destination in Banyumas is also named by unique and diverse name. So it is interesting to be explored more about its tourism destinations, especially related to the place naming. Here are some previous studies. Light, Sujatna, Herianto, and Pamungkas, Aditya, Fadilah, and Heryono. Like Light explore about the relationship between tourism and toponyms at a variety of scale and in a range of contexts. Sujatnayata explore about place naming of tourism destinations in Jawa Barat related to their types and their processes morphologically. Pamungkas also explore about names as trends of geotourism based on morphological and toponymic analysis tourism destinations in Bali. For Aditya, he explores about the form of linguistic units in naming, the naming process, and the dynamics of the names of tourism objects in the Kuningan Regency, West Java. For Glass, Fadilah, and Heryono, uh, study about morphological process of place naming of tourism destination in West Java. Most of the researchers here study about morphological process of place naming of tourism destinations in some areas like West Java or Bali and Kuningan Regency. So the purpose of this study is to explore the meaning of the place naming process of tourism destinations in Banyumas, Central Java. For a theoretical framework, toponymy science via geographical names or toponyms as its subjects, which belongs to language, and the language is the subject of linguistics. Since talking about name of place, toponym is studying about the naming of geographical sites, and the naming correlates closely to word formation study. This correlation is drawn with the statement that there is linguistic study in toponym, since it process through linguistic aspect. For the method, this study explores 30 tourism destination names in Banyumas. The data were collected by conducting literature studies and interviewing local people. The data were also analyzed by using Sudaria theory, mentions three aspects of naming, namely physical, social, and cultural aspects, but I also combine it based on the data. I mean, if there is no aspect, these three aspects, so I combine it with the other aspects. Therefore, in the study, they were summarized into some categories, which are geographical or natural appearance, historical background, location, place naming, and place description. Result and discussion. There are three aspects of place naming. The first is geographical, second, similarity, three, location, historical background, place name, place description, and place function. For geographical, natural appearance or geographical appearance, there are 12. For similarity, there are 6. Location, there are 5. Historical background, there are four for place description. There are two and the one anomaly place function. For geographical or natural appearance, for example, like Pancuran Telu, it has three water streams, and Curug Telu, it has three water streams. Uh, so like Curug Lima, it has five water streams, or like Kalibacin, water that smells bad. For the similarity, like Curug Pengantin, the name of this waterfall is taken from its position where there are two waterfalls side by side, and like a partner who is faithful to company. And also like Curug Nangga, its shape is like a ladder because it has seven levels of waterfall steps. And also like Grojugan Ratu, the water stream is very beautiful, like a queen. And for location, for example, like Kebun Raya Baturaden is botanical garden located in Baturaden, and also Hutan Pinus Limpakuwus is also located in the village of Limpakuwus. For historical background, like Telaga Sunyi, this name arose because in the past, this place was often visited by people to be alone, or like Sendang Bidadari. The origin of the name Bidadari is believed that because according to the local community, it is the location of the angel coming down to the earth. For place descriptions, like small work, a tourism destination in the form of miniature buildings of various places all over the world. And the second, Taman Balai Kemambang. Balai itself is place and Kemambang is floating. So it is floating place to be relaxed. For the last, place function, Taman Andang Pangrenan. Andang means place and Pangrenan means happy. It means that the place used to have fun and make happy. In conclusion, economically, the tourism destinations in Banyumas is interestingly named by some aspects. It is uniquely embodied not only to describe its geographical or natural appearance, but also other aspects. Furthermore, names have important role to communicate the types, the characteristics, or the location of the tourism destinations to form its branding. Yeah, thank you. Here is my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.